Listen carefully. You keep asking me, why did you let this happen to me? Why the betrayal? Why the heartbreak? Why the loneliness? Why the nights where your chest feels heavy and nobody understood your silence? You thought I abandoned you, but what if the pain you hated the most was actually the moment I was protecting your soul? Stay till the end, because today I will tell you the real reason you had to suffer. And once you understand it, you will never look at your pain the same way again. I am Vishnu, the preserver of balance, the silent witness of every tear you hide from the world. And hear me clearly, nothing entered your life without purpose. Not the people who broke you, not the doors that closed, not the loneliness, not even the suffering you begged me to remove. You see pain as punishment, but many times pain is preparation, because before I elevate a soul, I first remove the illusions trapping it. Some of you were becoming attached to people who would have destroyed your peace. Some of you were chasing desires that looked beautiful but would have emptied your spirit. And so I allowed discomfort not to destroy you but to wake you up. And there is something most people never realize. The greatest danger in life is not pain. It is comfort that slowly poisons the soul. Because comfortable illusions can keep a person spiritually asleep for years. And that is why sometimes I shake your entire world. You cried because something ended. But what truly broke was the version of you that depended on external things to feel complete. You were searching for worth through people, through attention, through love, through success. But your soul was forgetting its own divinity. So I removed what you worshipped, not because I hated you, but because I loved you so much to let you lose yourself. Understand this deeply. A sword is not forged in comfort. Gold is not purified without fire. And the strongest souls are not created through easy lives. They are created through loss, through silence, through surviving moments they thought would destroy them. Every painful moment was forcing you to discover a deeper strength hidden inside you, a strength you never would have found otherwise. Remember those moments when nobody checked on you, when you felt emotionally abandoned, when you sat alone, fighting battles in your own mind. You thought nobody was there, but I was there, in the silence, in the tears, in the nights you almost gave up. I was watching you become stronger. You prayed for strength, but strength cannot be given without resistance. You prayed for wisdom, but wisdom cannot grow without suffering. You prayed for transformation, but transformation requires the death of the old self. And that death often feels painful. But here is the part nobody tells you. Some pain entered your life because your soul had outgrown a certain chapter. And what happens when a soul refuses to live its old reality? Life begins to feel heavy, draining, chaotic, because your spirit knows you're meant for something higher. Many times, what you call rejection was actually my protection. That relationship ending, protection. That opportunity collapsing, protection. That person walking away, protection. You were crying over closed doors while I was saving you that would have broken your spirit even more. But humans only understand later. That is why, years after suffering, people suddenly say, "Now I understand why it happened." Because time reveals what emotions cannot. Trust this, if I remove something from your life, it means it was interfering with your growth, your peace, or your destiny, even if your heart could not understand it yet. So stop seeing yourself as cursed. You are not cursed. You are being saved. Every scar taught you something. Every betrayal revealed something. Every loss awakened something. The pain was not the end of your story. It was the beginning of your awakening. One day, you will look back at the suffering that almost broke you and realize it was the moment your soul finally began to evolve. So when pain enters your life again, do not immediately ask, "Why is this happening to me?" Instead ask, "What is this trying to teach my soul?" Because even in suffering, I am guiding you. Even in silence, I have not left you. Even in your darkest moment, I am still walking beside you. If this message found you at the right time, comment "I trust the process" and subscribe to Light of Dharma for more spiritual truths that awaken the soul.